In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful one-layer fall card, quick and easy, with my Rooted in Nature stamp set and my peg stamps. So stay tuned. I'm going to start by showing you the supplies I'm using for this card. First, my Rooted in Nature stamp set from Stampin' Up!, Thinking of You, and You Are Wonderful, and my different inks, Real Red, Early Espresso, Daffodil Delight, Cherry Cobbler, and also my Delicata Celestial Copper, as well as this orange from Hero Arts. And I will be using my peg stamps. I don't know if you're familiar with these. They were very popular a few years back, and I got several, and this is my fall collection. Oh, and I forgot my moss green color box. Okay, let's pull out our, I'm not sure what color this is, but I thought it'd be cool for a fall card. It's not vanilla for sure. So let's go ahead and put that together. Looks like I may have to trim a little bit off here. See that edge? Homemade, not Hallmark, for sure. Okay. Now I'm going to be using this one here. And there's a line that shows you where the bottom of the stamp is. I want to stamp off because I got a little bit too much on that. Like so. The downside of these is that you can't go back and re-stamp very easily. It's hard to know. You can't see through it, obviously. So there are my little pine boughs. And I used the moss green color box. Okay, let's use my maple leaf with my copper. Orange. This is a oak leaf. The colors in fall are just amazing. It's my favorite time of year. use our yellow. Whoops. Put it a little too close there. Let's do our itty bitty leaf with real red. Yeah, real red. No, cherry cobbler. I don't want it really, really bright. Beautiful. This is my collection of peg stamps. It's from Rubber Stamp Tapestry, and they do have sets, or you can buy them singly. You'll see more of these at Christmas for all my different Christmas cards. Okay, so there are my little decorations. And then I'm going to be stamping the sentiment straight on the card. This is a quick and easy one layer. I'm going to be using my temporary adhesive because I want to be absolutely positive that the stamp is going to stay stuck to the acrylic block. I get one chance at this. Perfect. Now, of course, I went against my own policy and did not stamp the inside first. So let's do that. You are wonderful. There we go. Let's do some decorating. Just plain old stamping on the inside. I think there was one that I did not use. Let's go across the top. Just put this here to hold it down. There we go. Quick and simple one layer card using my peg stamps. I will be embellishing on this style of card more and more over the next couple of weeks. If you'd like to see some more fall cards that I made over the last few years, please tune in here and watch this video.